Sno Power. Heavy snowfalls are common in the U.S., leading to flight cancellations and school closures in the eastern states. American firms offer patented edges for snow removal, available in front and rear models for autos. The cutting edge is also effective against ice, and the geometry can be quickly changed. The blades are up to 14 feet wide. Roughrider Spare Tire Organizer. A U.S. company offers an organizer for spare tires for different models of Jeep from 1987 to 2022. It has 5 pockets, 2 of which are 10 by 8 inches and 2 of which are 11 by 10 inches. The 5th pocket is 21 by 4 inches. All pockets are removable and made of UV-resistant material. The organizer costs $174. CAOS. A U.S.-invented system makes cutting down trees, which occurs at a rate of 20 hectares per minute worldwide, more efficient. It can handle logs from 2 to 9 inches in diameter, is easy to assemble and install, and has no jamming elements. It holds crooked branches and has a weight limit of 125 pounds. It costs $112. Built-in AirJacks. The UK offers jacks that are suitable for both everyday motorists and racing drivers. The manufacturers also provide brake and clutch solutions for well-known car brands. For example, AP Racing products were popular among 60% of Le Mans competitors in 2022. The company's jacks are fast, lightweight, and reliable, with pneumatic models capable of lifting up to 1,490 pounds under high pressure and various stroke lengths. CAOS NOMAD Shore Tent. This compact shore tent is perfect for camping, beaches, and construction sites. It weighs only 17.6 pounds and is 3.3 by 3.3 by 5.6 feet in size. It has a roof, shore holder, and adjustable height. Made of ripstop polyester and with special weights for stability, it can withstand strong winds. It costs $290. Sea to Summit Pack Racks. The world's longest surfboard is 48.72 feet long and can hold 25 people at once. Transporting it must have been difficult, so an Australian company made this inflatable roof rack. It's not just for surfers, but also for skiers and snowboarders. The model weighs 20.5 ounces, folds into a small backpack, and can hold up to 100 pounds. It's made of 420D nylon and costs $100. Elevate Outdoor Steel Electric Cargo Carrier. Carrying heavy loads just got easier with the electric cargo carrier. It can hold up to 350 pounds and can be raised and lowered in just 20 seconds. When not in use, it can be easily folded to maintain the size of your car. Operating the cargo carrier is simple, with only one button for all functions. It stands at 46 inches tall, with a platform size of 60 by 23 inches. Warning lights and necessary wiring are included, and installation is easy with no drilling required. Marlon Xplore II. In 2021, around 850,000 IDVs were sold worldwide, including in China where off-road vehicles are popular. This ramp, placed in the back of a pickup truck, allows you to transport quad bikes, buggies, and other similar vehicles. This version can hold vehicles up to 76 inches wide and 165 inches long and can still haul a trailer. It is easy to install and is compatible with a variety of winches. AccuAir Suspension. Many people all over the world want to upgrade their cars, and this suspension system simplifies the process. It allows you to raise and lower your car in a spectacular and efficient way, and it's not only good looking, but also comfortable. The system has a special mode that corrects the car's position on parking lots and highways. You can get ready sets, like one for a Jeep Gladiator that costs $7,000, or individual components. The system comes with a handy Bluetooth 5.0 remote control and works with the Level Plus app. The manufacturer says these systems are being used on over 40,000 cars worldwide. TYGER AutoV bracing. Pickup trucks are popular worldwide, with 2.7 million sold in the US in 2016. The Nissan Navara was the top pickup truck in Europe in 2006, accounting for 25% of all car market sales. These racks allow you to take everything you need for a great vacation and can hold up to 700 pounds. The rack is made of 0.13-inch thick steel and has over 100 fixing points. DAC Blue Ice snow chains. An Italian company offers tire chains for cars with ABS and white tires, suitable for heavy snowfall regions like Italy. They come in 14 sizes and weigh 6.6 pounds. The upgraded 0.35-inch diameter links provide a more comfortable ride and are easy to install. The chains come in a handy plastic box. Motorsport Lore Alami Off-Road. Similar models being produced for off-road racing. This is a lift kit for a Range Rover, for example. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.